Hi everyone, our dear English student from Cote d'Ivoire. We're delighted Mr. Donatien and I here to thank you. We'd like to have this English training with you, right Mr. Donatien?
Yeah, thank you Mr. Mayede. Good morning my dear learners. We are here to really appreciate your English, your effort you did with us.
Yeah, we really appreciate it, and despite all the the coming late, you really struggle, right, to manage when we're coming late, right?
Yes, exactly, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. So what matters is that they follow the courses and that they improve their English, right?
Yes, of course, because they need more practice for their English to come out.
Yeah, for the English to come out. And thank you, and we were cool. So thank you so much. We encourage you to continue. This is the first step. You need to take a step further, like Mr. Nasser say. We love you, and we wish you all the best. We hope that you continue to learn with Xi'an National School. We say goodbye.
Thank you.